Okay, once again, this is today. Yesterday what did we learn? Limits and derivatives chapter completed. Okay, derivative chapter, first exercise limits, second exercise derivatives. First exercise limits concept completed, limit concept. So next one we are going to the very important compulsory 100% question, 5 marks question, 100% sure 5 marks question. Totally 100 marks paper, 100 marks paper, 35 pass mark. In 35 5 marks, so this theorem fixed, no doubt about it. 5 marks fixed. So in pass mark 35 marks, 5 marks fixed question, only one question we have to practice. The remaining 30 marks ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು prepare ಆಗಬೇಕು. We have to prepare 30 marks only, because 5 marks this question fixed. This is very important one. What is the question? Prove that geometrically limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta is equal to 1 where theta is in radius, and hence evaluate limit theta tends to 0 tan theta by theta is equal to 1. No. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. No. Same that type, theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. Limit y tends to 0 sin y by y is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the fundamental theorem, but tan theta by theta is not a fundamental. From this value come from this one, limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta is equal to 1. This is not a fundamental, only this is the fundamental theorem. The limit theta tends to 0 tan theta by theta, limit theta tends to 0 tan theta by theta equal to 1 is also, the value also come from sin theta by theta is equal to 1. So limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta is equal to 1 will prove. After that, by using this result sin theta by theta, and hence means, and hence evaluate means using this result, limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta is equal to 1, using this result we have to prove only this result only. And hence evaluate means, and hence evaluate means using this result. Okay, so first of all, diagram 1 mark, first main important one, diagram. This is the circle, first circle. Okay, circle center O, radius, this is OA, OB both are radius. Okay, next theta in radians, Okay, now draw the one line from B to on the line OA. Draw a line B to on the line OA, perpendicular line. This is B, from B to D. BD is the starting from B on the line OA, perpendicular to OA. This line the draw. Next, this is AB, draw the line AB, and tangent, this is the tangent, this is B to T, BT tangent, BT. What is the tangent? A line touch the circle at the point, at any point, touch the circle at any point. Okay, so B is the touching point, the tangent passing through the point B. This is BT tangent. Okay, BT tangent. This is OA, OB are the radius. The radius are denoted by R. So, additional BD. BD is the perpendicular to OA and meet the BA and draw the line BA. and BT tangent. This is the diagram. Okay, the circle by using the rupee coins or bangles, something. Okay, this is circle we have to draw neatly. Next, about the diagram, some points. Write some points about the diagram. How to draw diagram? This is the circle. This is center O. OA, OB radius. Theta is the radians. This is BD perpendicular to OA. This is some words. How to draw the diagram? This is some words. Proof. Consider a circle with center O. Consider a circle with center O and radius R. And radius R. Let theta be the angle subtended by an arc AB. Theta is an angle subtended by an arc AB. Arc AB. Subtended by an arc AB at the center of the circle. At the center of the circle, the angle makes the angle subtended by an arc AB at the center of the circle. Okay. Next, join the points A and B. Join the points A and B. AB point join. Draw BD perpendicular to OA. Draw BD perpendicular to OA. Let the tangent drawn to the circle at B. Let the tangent drawn to the circle at B. Meet the line OA. Meet the line OA. Extended OA. Meet the line OA. Produced at T. Produced at T. Produced means this continuing. Produced means this length is drawing. Produced at T. This one. Up to this one. Up to this the diagram. About the diagram. How to draw the diagram. Which measurements, which figures are given. Okay. Next, from the figure here 3 figures are there. From the figure 3 points are there. What is point? First, triangle OAB. Triangle OAB. Arc OAB. Arc OAB. Triangle OAB. Arc OAB. This arc means triangle OAB means only up to this. Arc OAB means this is also arc. This is arc. And triangle OBT. The 2 triangles, 1 arc. Which one is the smaller in the 3? Arc triangle OAB, arc OAB and triangle OBT. Which one is the smallest compared to 3? Triangle OAB is the smallest, small. Less than arc OAB is the next highest. Next highest is arc OAB. Arc OAB is next highest because OAB means up to this OAB. OAB only this one OAB. Arc OAB means this is also plus arc. Less than triangle OBT. This is the main condition. This is the 1 mark diagram. 1 mark matter about the diagram. 1 mark. This is the main point. 1 mark. 3 marks. Like remaining 2 marks. From the figure, area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle, this is small triangle compared to 3 OAB triangle, OAB arc, OBT triangle. These 3, which is the least one? OAB triangle. So the area of the triangle OAB less than area of an arc OAB. Area of an arc AOB or AOAB, anything. Okay. Angle must be in between, middle. Okay. AOB. Next, less than area of the angle OBT. Area of the angle OBT. So area of the triangle OBT here, what is the where is the angle? In B. B is the angle OBT. This is the main point. So area of the triangle in basic formula, what is the basic formula of area of the triangle? Area of the triangle basic formula of BH, half into base into height, half into base into height. So 1 by 2. Triangle OAB, triangle AOB, what is the base? OA is the base, BD is the height. That's why we did draw the line BD, because of height. Base is okay, but what is the area of the triangle? Base into height. Base is already okay, no problem. Where is height? Height is compulsory, must be perpendicular. That's why it did draw the line. Why this line draw, BD line? How to draw? Why to draw line BD? Why? Means base, height is always perpendicular. Here there is no perpendicular line. This is not a perpendicular, this is not a perpendicular. There is no perpendicular line. That's why draw the BD perpendicular line. So base is equal to OA into height is equal to BD, less than area of an arc area 1 by 2 r square into theta, less than area of triangle OBT. Area of the triangle OBT means BH. OBT base, what is the base? Base is OB. This is the angle. Here angle. Triangle OBT. Here one of the angle. OBT base is OB. Base is OB. BT is perpendicular. BT is perpendicular. This compulsory. The tangent. This is perpendicular. Both are perpendicular here because tangent. So here this is the perpendicular. Okay. So OB is the base. OB is the base. This is the height. This is diagonal. OT is a diagonal. So the triangle OBT, this type. You have any confusion? There is no confusion. So OBT, OB base. OT is the hypotenuse. Next, what is hypotenuse? BT is height. This is the triangle, this type. Okay. So B BO. B is the angle. Okay. So opposite side, this is okay. OBT, this is base. OB is the base and BT is the BT. This is the BT. BT is the height. BT is the height. OT is the hypotenuse. This is one. Okay. This is normally okay. This is the O. And the triangle OBT. This is B. Angle in B only. At the angle B. This one. This is the base. This is the height. This is this one. Okay. So this is the theta. Okay, clear? Area of the triangle OBT. OBT base OB, height BT. So OA, OB or OA is equal to OB is equal to R. So R into BD less than this is R into BT. Next we have to find out BD and BT. This is required. The required one, BD and BT. Next we have to find out BD and BT. How to find out BD and BT? By using the O angle, sine, cos, tan or anything. So in a triangle OBD, here not OBA, only OBD. Take. In a triangle OBD, so this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse. So sin theta is equal to opposite, theta opposite BD by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to OB, theta. theta opposite side, adjacent side, this is the diagonal. Okay. So have any doubt means this is OBD. OBD means this one. OBD theta opposite side by hypotenuse OB. So OB is equal to RO. BD means BD. BD is only BD. There is no value. So cross multiplication. BD is equal to sin theta is equal to BD by R. BD is equal to R into sin theta. So BD value. We get BD value. Next in triangle OBT. Next we want BT. So OBT triangle. In a triangle OBT. OBT tan theta is equal to sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to opposite side BT by opposite hypotenuse OT. So there is no, you don't know OT value. So you value BT, OB, you know OB value. So this OB value we can use. In triangle OBT, sin theta does not use because sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, BT the unknown value, OT also unknown value. That's why tan theta or cot theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side is what? OB. So OB, BT by OB. OB is equal to what? R. So BT is equal to R into tan theta. So we get BD value and BT value. Substitute BD, BT values in equation number 1. So 1 by 2 into R into, what is the equation number 1? This is the law. 1 by 2 into R into BD less than 1 by 2 into R square theta, 1 by 2 into R BT. BD is equal to R sin theta, BT is equal to R tan theta, R into R square sin theta less than 1 by 2 into R square theta, 1 by 2 into R square tan theta. So in 3 common, 1 by 2 R square is common. 1 by 2 R square common means 1 by 2 R square, 1 by 2 R square, 1 by 2 R square cancel, remaining sin theta less than tan theta. So divide sin theta. Divide sin theta by sin theta less than theta by sin theta, tan theta by sin theta. Tan theta by sin theta is equal to cos theta because tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta by sin theta. So cancel this one. Sin theta by sin theta 1, theta by sin theta less than cos theta. Reverse. Ulta, reverse matter. 1 less than sin theta by theta less than 1 by cos theta. So sin theta, we get sin theta by theta. So what is the limits? Limit theta tends to 0. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta. Limit theta tends all using the limits. So limit of constant is equal to constant. So limit of 1 is equal to 1 less than limit of theta tends to 0 sin theta, we want this value less than 1 by cos theta. So theta is equal to what? 0 cos 0. Cos 0 value 1. So 1 less than, this one less than. Left hand limit to right hand limit to both are same means limit exists and that value is 1. Left hand limit to right hand limit to equal means that limit exists. So left hand limit to, this is the left minimum value, this is the maximum value. Minimum means the left hand value, maximum means right hand value. Minimum value and maximum value both are same means that limit value is exactly equal to 1. Exactly equal to 1. This is theorem. So and hence evaluate the limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So this is theta by 1, this is reverse sin theta by theta. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta into 1 by cos theta. Separate the limits. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta into limit theta 1 by cos theta. Sin theta by theta value already proved is value 1 into 1 by cos 0 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. No. This is the theorem. Very, very important, not important, compulsory theorem. The main thing is here, this is the main thing. We already, no problem, diagram. So, how to draw the diagram? First, once again. First of all, one circle. One circle. Next is this first circle, next center 0, Next, this is OA radius, and this is OB radius. This is R, this is R. First circle, and next OA OB. The center, from the center to the circle, the distance is radius. Next, AB line. Draw the line AB. Angle is theta radians. So BD, draw the line BD. This is D, this is the perpendicular. Next, the OA is produced to up to T. Draw the tangent from B to T. This is T, BT. This one simple. Triangle OAOB triangle, AOB arc, and OBT triangle. Drawing a simple diagram. The main thing is, this is the main point. OBT, this is AOB triangle. Next to AOB arc. This is AOB triangle up to this, up to here. AOB arc up to this is the circle arc also. Which one is big? Compared to OAB triangle, OAB arc, which one is big? OAB arc is bigger than the OAB triangle. OAB arc is bigger than the OAB triangle. Next to OBT triangle is also bigger than the OAB triangle and OAB arc. This is the main point, this main step. This is the main step. Next, area for the BH. What is it? First one, OAB triangle. For example, AOB triangle simple. This is height to BD height to base O, simple. But difficulty is this is OBT triangle. OBT, this is here. The triangle angle is this here. Angle is this, means this is OB is base. OB is base. Next, BT is the height and OT is the hypotenuse. You have any doubt, means the OBT triangle will draw separately. So here OB is a base and BT is height. Next we have to find out BD and BT. How to BD? OBD triangle sin theta, OBT triangle tan theta. Apply. OB is there and OA is there. So apply and substitute, cancel. So here 1 by r square is both are equal values is cancelled. So sin theta, divide. Because why divide sin theta but not both sides? Here theta is there, theta by sin theta. We want which value we have to find out? Sin theta by theta. So theta by sin theta, 1 by 1. Okay, clear? This is very important theorem. I will send printed answer also. I will send in WhatsApp group printed paper, printed solution. This theorem, printed solution. I will send, okay, your WhatsApp group. So each and every point important. Compulsory this question, compulsory 5 marks question, 100%. So we have to prepare. So next one, derivatives. Next one is derivatives.